Hey guys, my name is Obediah Thomas and I'm coming to your school to perform Bye Bye Bully. This is a really fun show. I can't wait to be there. I'm going to bring my trumpet. It's going to be a funny show. I'm going to get kids up on stage. I've got this box, and inside the box is, you know what, I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to ruin that surprise. But you see, here's the thing. Your class is watching this video now, but not all the classes at your school are watching this video, so they don't know everything that's going to go on, right? I'm going to give you a little insider tip here. The very first song I sing is called Everybody, and you guys have a part. Now, I don't explain this at the show, but you guys are just going to know what to do because I'm telling you now. When you hear this, everybody, bum, 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 every time you hear that melody, da 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 da, you guys are all going to clap. And everybody who didn't see the video, they're all going to be like, what are they doing? How do they know that? And they're going to try to jump on and get into it. But you guys are going to be ahead of the game. Da 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 da. Okay, so can you do that for me? It's really going to freak people out, okay? And I will love you for it, and I will see you guys after the show. Make sure you come by and give me a fist bump, all right? See you then. Bye.
Everybody, put on a smile. Everybody, chill for a while. Everybody, can you imagine? Everybody, here's a way to have fun.